What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is "Mom misses son's birthday after a bad decision." Let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about.
On July 13, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for having window tint that was too dark.
So this isn't your vehicle, or this is?
Can't answer simple questions.
Yeah. What's the issue?
My son's party is about to start. I'm in a rush.
The more you work with me, the faster I can get you out of here. That's what I'm trying to get. So, what's your date of birth?
2492.
Okay. And what's your social?
I don't have my social on hand. I don't know about.
Do you know like the last four? You don't know any part of your social?
No.
None.
I know.
You was born in 92 and you don't know your social? Really? This is what you want us to believe? Come on now. This is come on. At this time, you 32 years old. 92 and this was 2024. You 32. You don't know your social?
593, your first room.
That's good. Okay.
Lying.
All right, so now I got to try to find you because you don't have your driver's license on you, so obviously I got to do some additional work, but
I'm gonna miss.
like I said, the more you work with me, man.
You
No.
got everything, right?
What?
You have everything?
Yes, but I need you to wait out here for me.
It's hot. Why do you need me to wait out
Wait in the
here?
shade.
I have AC.
I understand that. Just wait in the shade for me, though.
Why do I have to stand out here?
Because, ma'am, I'm not going to have you go back to your car. But listen, this is what I'm talking about. The sooner you let me do my job, the sooner I can get you out of here.
So I can sit in my car now.
Now, once I go back and confirm everything's good with you, then I will let you go back in your car depending on what I find. All right? Like I said, just let me do my job so I can get you out of here. She's just being different. Evernisha, do you have a medical marijuana card?
Yes.
Okay. But do you have a valid? Evernisha, this way. I'm trying to talk to you. This is what I'm talking about. It's going to take longer. The longer you don't answer my
get off the
questions.
phone.
Okay, thank you. So you have a medical marijuana card, but you don't have it on you. Okay, is it valid?
I went out last night. I'm not sure. I went out last night and I searched my stuff. I'm not sure.
Okay. So I'm not sure like what the status is, if it's expired or valid or anything.
You're not sure if it's valid?
Okay. Is there any marijuana in the car?
No.
Okay. Do you mind if I just look, make sure there's nothing in there? Because it smells like
Check
that.
my car.
Check it for marijuana. Just make sure it's not in
Smell like marijuana. You're making up stuff.
there. You just said you smoked last night.
I didn't say I smoked last night. I said I switched my purse last night.
Okay. So is there any in there?
No, there's no marijuana.
Nah, yeah, he pushing it. I ain't gonna lie. Where the marijuana come from, bruh? She didn't say that she smoked last night. She said she went out last night and she switched her stuff. Yeah, he come on. You stepping outside of the scope, man. Let me guess. You smell marijuana? Like, come on, bro. That'd be their favorite line. Like, I smell weed. That'd be their number one shit, bro.
I'm gonna search it. Am I gonna find any?
I just said it's no marijuana. I'm gonna take my purse.
You're good. You can wait right
What's your
here.
region for searching?
Evernisha, wait.
I'm gonna get my purse. I'm getting my
Put
purse.
it back in there. I don't know.
That's nothing. I don't want you going in my purse. My personal
Evernisha,
stuff.
listen to me
He
right now.
told you you can't look at your
doing?
stuff. You can't go
Okay,
through your
give me
stuff
my
if you
wallet.
told us
Give
Give
that.
me my wallet.
This was inside your purse.
Give me my wallet.
This is inside
What are
your
you
purse.
doing?
This is inside your
Evernisha,
purse.
you're going in handcuffs right now too.
Stop. Okay.
Put your
okay.
hands behind
No.
your
Okay.
back.
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Put your hands behind your
Go
back.
ahead.
I understand.
No,
You're going in
please,
handcuffs.
please.
Evernisha, listen to me.
I said I'm not
Listen to me.
Just listen.
I'm not-
Just listen. Just listen. Just
Then
listen.
relax.
Please don't.
Just
We're past that because you're not listening.
Okay.
Just
We're
listen.
past that.
Please, they hurt.
Evernisha,
Then stop
stop.
resisting. Just stop resisting.
Stop.
Okay? If you stop resisting, we're gonna stop.
Please don't put me in handcuffs.
We're past that.
What the f did I do?
You're just being detained right now because you're not listening.
I wasn't.
He told you not. He told you not to go into your purse, and you went into your purse.
I'm getting arrested for no reason. There's no
You're not
marijuana
arrested,
in
you're
my
just
car.
detained right now. Okay, that's it.
Can you let my arm go?
You gonna stay right here?
I asked for my wallet.
You want to take a seat? If you take a seat, I'll let go of your arm. It's up to you.
I'm not sitting.
Okay. Fine.
You could let my arm go. I'm not doing that.
Because you're walking back to your car.
He's searching my car for no reason.
You don't get to use your phone.
Move!
Listen, you do not get to use.
Yeah, because I didn't hear the reason that he wants to search the vehicle. Honestly, I didn't even catch that. You know what I'm saying? Like, why is he searching the vehicle for marijuana? He ain't say he smelled marijuana or nothing. He just put on the gloves and started searching. Like, what the hell going on here? But she doing too much though.
I'm not doing that.
Because you're walking back to your car.
He's searching my car for no
Something shady about her though.
You don't get to use your phone.
Move!
Listen, you do not get to use
Okay,
your
I'm
phone.
putting it in my pocket. I'm putting it up. I'm putting it up. I'm putting my phone up.
Get the phone.
Let my phone go. What are you
Alicia,
doing?
you're going to be arrested for resisting.
Taking my
Give me that.
phone.
So,
Listen.
cannot make any calls while you're in custody.
Put it in my pocket.
I'm going to give it to this officer right now, or I'll put it in the
Just put it in your purse.
Yeah.
That's fine. You cannot make any calls when you're in protective custody. You understand that? Because I can't have you making phone calls to call the people.
In protective custody? What the fuck? Ain't that where you go when you snitch? Protective custody? You mean when you detained? Or when you in custody? Protective custody? That's where the snitches go, or the high profile criminals, man.
Here, okay? Just listen to what we're saying. That's all you have to. All you have to do is listen to what we're saying. That's it. And then you wouldn't be in handcuffs if you were just
for no
full.
reason. It don't smell like marijuana. You just making up stuff to search my car.
What did I make up that your car's been?
My car does not smell like marijuana. He making that up. Just to search my
If I
car.
look over arm, you're gonna be cool. You're gonna just say quit.
Yes, I'm not doing nothing.
Okay.
Searching my car for no reason. There's no marijuana in my car.
What's your first name? Is that
Renisha.
Renisha? Okay.
Or is her name Ashley? Because you're saying your wallet, and magically I find an ID that says Ashley on it. Ashley, what's going on? I'm just trying to get you on your way here, and you're lying to me at every step of the way.
Go and put her in the back of the car.
Okay.
Please, it's my son's birthday party. Please.
Ashley, I tried to work with you, and you obstructed me at every step of the way.
I'm gonna miss my son's birthday party.
No, you cannot.
Oh my God. Please. I'm gonna miss my son's birthday party. I don't have anything on me. I don't smoke. Can I call my mom? My son's birthday party is today.
Yeah, but you gave a false
I got my
name.
keys.
Or property. Yeah, I just think you give it to me.
Yeah, go in the back seat of the car.
Can I call my mom?
We'll get to that.
She's expecting me.
They always gotta call mommy. You know that.
Can you be honest with me? I would like to talk. Okay.
You already pat her down up in.
I just pay her pockets down.
I'm just leaving work.
Okay. Let's try this again. You said you're going to be honest with me, right? Okay. What's your first name?
Ashley.
Okay. All right, Ashley. At this point in
Can I
time,
call my mom? We're gonna be
you
late
are-
for the party.
listen, you are going to be under arrest for
I'm gonna
obstruction.
miss my son's
You gave
party.
false information
I
to
need
me.
to call my mom.
Okay, so we'll get to that, but right now you're under arrest.
Okay, can I get my phone?
Bravo 1055, Bravo 17.
So I'm just gonna not show up for my son's party?
Yes, you're being arrested.
But I need to let my mom know.
You're an adult. You can let her know later.
How long will it take?
Bravo 17.
Please, can I please call my
These guys forget. It's always call my mom. Listen, that's why we got to call my mommy merch, man. That's what I'm saying. ShyGotEm.com, man. Gonna get you a shirt. But they always gotta call their mommy when they get in trouble. It's like, damn, are you an adult or no? It don't matter if the kid is 18 or I've seen girls and guys want to call their mommy at like 40 years old when they getting locked up. Oh, let me call my mom. I gotta call my God. Mommy ain't getting you out of this trouble that you in. Mommy ain't tell you to give a false name to the police officer. Why you did that? Because you hiding something, because you shady.
Mom,
Right now.
I'm gonna miss my son's party.
Okay. Why would you lie to us at the beginning? Like, why lie to us about who you are?
Bravo 17 taking primary.
Oh my God.
Taking primary.
Can you please get my phone so I can call my mom?
You cannot make any phone calls right now.
How long would this, what am I going to risk?
It's going to be as long as it takes to get this done.
Where am I getting out?
I still don't understand why you would lie to us about who you are and what your name is. You do know that that's illegal, right? And that's an arrestable offense?
Oh my God.
She ain't know, she
My
know
phone.
now.
You cannot make any phone calls right now. I told you that.
I need to let my mom know I'm not coming to the
I am
party.
telling you, you are not making any phone calls right now.
D95 the RO, and that is going to be the correct information. And I'll have 11015 for writing false info.
So why can't I get my phone to call my mom?
Because you're being detained right now. You can't make any phone calls to anybody. That's the whole issue that I personally had with you when you brought your phone out when we had you in cuffs, is because you can't make any phone calls because we don't need you to call anyone, have any family or friends to come in.
My son's birthday
You don't have
party.
to tell her right now. It could be
The
later.
party is about to start in 30 minutes. I was
Okay.
on my way leaving work.
All right, well, when we get situated, if he wants to let you call your mom, then he'll let you call your mom.
I want to see what he's going through while he's looking through my phone.
You better stay seated, okay?
What is he going through? Why can't I see what he's looking through?
Because you're being detained right now, so you don't.
Okay, but he's going through my stuff.
Yeah, he's searching for marijuana.
There's no marijuana in there. I don't
Okay.
smoke.
Well, once he's done searching, then he'll come back here.
And he better find marijuana, because that marijuana shit is bullshit, dog.
Can I call my phone, my mom?
Not right now.
I'm gonna miss my son's birthday party.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna miss my son's birthday.
I understand, but we're talking about this right now. That's
Okay.
okay. So do you want to talk to me about lying to me about your ID and all that stuff so we can work this out? So obviously you knew you were suspended because that's why you gave me false info. Why did you
Didn't
get
know nothing.
Okay, well you are suspended and there's really no other reason to lie to me. What was your reasoning for lying to me about who you were?
I don't know.
You don't know? Did you know you were suspended?
No.
I mean, I guess there's nothing really more to ask you.
No,
You
yeah.
know? So we're gonna have a female come here and pat you down, and then
You just patted me down.
A female's going to search you personally.
so we gotta wait for that.
So can I call my mom? Tell her I'm not making it to the party.
After she gets searched, I'll just bring her back to 19 if you want.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
And
Yeah.
then,
I'll call Fred
What about my
10-7.
stuff?
And well, your car's gonna get towed.
What about my purse?
Your purse?
With all my stuff?
I'll bring your purse.
I need to call my phone, my mom.
I'm gonna bring your phone. I'm gonna bring your ID,
I need the whole purse.
and I'm just gonna bring your little wallet thing.
I need my whole purse.
No. There's way too much stuff in there. I'm not bringing that to jail with you. It's gonna be in the car. So whenever you get the car back, it'll be in there.
Where's my car getting towed?
Whichever towing company comes.
So you're not gonna be able
Super
to-
Bravo 31.
Yeah, that's what she get. She get for lying. I mean, the whole cop situation about the marijuana, that's bullshit, bro. I mean, I remember I was pulled over one time a few years ago, and it's funny. It's ironic that that day I got my car detailed, right? And then I went to the barber shop. It was like on a Friday or whatever. I went to the barbershop, whatever, and then I was coming home from the barbershop because I was about to, go out that night. You know what I'm saying? And I got pulled over. Guy is like, yo, step out the car, yada yada. First he said I was speeding. I wasn't speeding, but whatever. Legit, I wasn't speeding though. I ain't gonna lie. And I do speed, you know what I'm saying? But that'd be like highways and stuff, not in the city. I don't speed. So anyway, he pulls me out, whatever. And then he's like, oh, what's that green leafy substance in the back seat? And I'm like, what? First of all, I don't even smoke. I don't smoke. People that smoke don't even be in my car. Like, I'm a loner. You know what I'm saying? My circle is tight, real tight. So, and then I just got the car detailed. So even if that was that's not happening. That's impossible. So whatever. He starts searching, this, that, whatever, flipped the whole car, literally flipped it, didn't find nothing. At the end, he talking about, okay, you're free to go. Nah, hell nah. What happened to the green leafy substance you said you seen in the back seat? Oh, don't worry about that. You're free to go. Oh, nah, I'm filing a complaint. You got me. Oh no, we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. But yeah, that was a situation a few years ago, and because not every time when I was a correction officer, not every time did I show my badge or work ID or whatever, right? Because that is a way that you could, it's a courtesy thing. You know what I mean? A cop ain't gonna really, it don't look good giving law enforcement tickets. That's just the way it go. But not every time do I show it, because sometimes I just, I give my regular ID and this and that, boom. Because I want to see how I'm going to be treated. You know what I mean? And that was one of those times. He didn't know that I was a CO. Nothing. I didn't give him that ID or whatever. He found out later when he patted me down, because he patted me down. He was like, oh, what's this? I'm like, hello? Yeah. We supposed to be on the same team. But you doing our people like this? You doing me like this? You saw green leafy substance? You full of shit. You full of shit. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, this officer, man, I give him a... God, it's between a 2 and a 3. I ain't gonna lie to you, because why is he searching the car? Like, how do we even get to that? You ain't find no weed. You ain't sell no weed. Like, and that just reminds me of the situation that I had. Like, you tried to say that she's saying that she smoked weed. She didn't say that. She said she went out last night and she switched her things. She didn't say nothing about no weed. Then the lady says, I don't even smoke weed. Not every black person smokes weed. I know weed is very popular nowadays. I know that's everybody finked out for it. They finked out, you know what I'm saying? They finked out on the shit. They can't go a day without it. But not everybody on that. So I give him like a 2. I ain't gonna lie. 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. She's dead wrong for lying about her stuff. But he a peon. I ain't gonna lie to you. So anyway, y'all let me know in the comment section how well the officers did or whatever. But I give them 2 out of 5. And I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.